ownCloud Honest Pricing explained what you get for your money. ownCloud isn't just a cloud storage service you won't believe the flexibility it offers for businesses and individuals. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's only like Dropbox, but the surprising truth is ownCloud provides enterprise-level collaboration, file sharing, and self-hosting options. Pricing depends on the plan you choose. For businesses, the standard plan starts at around $2 per user per month, offering file access, collaboration, and mobile apps. The advanced plan, around $4 per user per month, adds features like workflow automation, auditing, and enhanced security. Enterprise plans are customized based on user count and support requirements. Most people get this wrong by ignoring self-hosting options, which allow complete control over data without monthly fees if you have your own server. ownCloud also integrates with Microsoft Office and Office and other collaboration tools, making it easier for teams to work together securely. You won't believe the granular permission settings, allowing it administrators to control who sees or edits files, which is crucial for compliance-heavy industries. In conclusion, ownCloud pricing offers flexibility for both self-hosted and cloud-based setups. By understanding user tiers, storage limits, and integration options, you can pick a plan that balances cost and functionality. It's more than cloud storage, it's a secure collaboration hub for individuals and enterprises alike.